Hello and welcome to On Tools. Today I'm going to have a quick look at a very small toolbox. Here we go, with the workpro. This toolbox was purchased just less than a year ago. Bought it as a present for my niece who likes making jewellery, so I thought it'd be ideal for her little tools, just to keep them a bit better organised. So let's see how it's lasted at just under a year old. So it's got a full piano hinge at the top. Nothing to hold the lid up, it goes all the way back. Then two drawers of equal size. Could probably do a bit of oil on there. As you can see, it's got some other pliers in. Specialist jewellery pliers. The top drawer. Just a few supplies in it. Another pair of pliers. There is actually a little bit of rust going through on the hinges, so they could probably do with wiping off on a bit of oil. That pin looks like it's come out a little bit. So yeah, it's not done too bad. I've had a few workpro stuff now and all of it's been quite good. Not been disappointed with any of it. Not managed to break any of their pliers or anything, so as you can see, a very small box. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment.